This is a 2015 GMC Sierra. Green over gray leather interior, power driver's seat, memory seating on the driver's side, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, a home link for your garage door, OnStar, Pandora, heated seats, traction control, USB for your cell phone. There's a look at the rear seat. Running boards, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, backup camera, spray-in bed liner. This vehicle is powered by a 5.3 liter V8. It has the Z71 off-road package, and like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation, Ford, Brooksville, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.